Hi there. This is Sarah with Audio Video Charlotte. We're here to talk about our home theater renovation and equipment installation project. The problem? A wiring mess. We started by disconnecting all of the equipment to comb through the wiring. Next, we had to figure out what we could use and what needed to be removed, which included rerunning the rear speakers, then creating a secure platform to zip the wiring to inside the alcove. We created an alcove because the cabinet around the fireplace did not have the depth to house the equipment. As a result, a piece of drywall and installation were removed to give us the additional 4 inches of depth required. Wiring that looks like this needs to be more organized and safe. Unorganized cables can become a hazard, and when wiring is allowed to tangle, cables can pull down your electronics, cause electrical shocks, especially when cables wear out, and leads to short circuits and electrical fires. As we organized the cabling, we ran staples up the left side across the top and down the right side, allowing us to route the wiring up and over, keeping the middle free for the equipment. 4 power outlets feed the system. One to the new TV in this room, one for the primary bedroom, and a TV out on the patio. There's also a second zone audio feeding 5 rooms inside the house and an outside entertainment zone with speakers on the house, next to the swimming pool, and on the fence by the sitting area.
Just finished up a multi-day install of trying to figure out how to straighten this wiring mess out, which was a wiring mess. We now have the audio system installed, along with cooling fans, the one connect box for the TV, cable box, 6-zone speaker selector, Sonos port, Apple TV, and an MRF 350 to allow the remote control to control this system. Fireplace is still being worked on. There's the television. As I pan over, the rear speakers are hidden in the back wall, disguised with the same black paint. There's one there, including the subwoofer. Can't wait to see this room completely finished with the fireplace. All the equipment hidden in that little alcove with a cabinet built around it. Soundbar is under the television for the left, center, and right. And there you go.
And here's the after image. Obviously, there still needs to be some work done around the fireplace and the cabinet will be built out, but our work is finished here. So why would you choose Audio Video Charlotte? Well, when we come to visit your home, we're going to look at your entire system. We're going to see what you can keep and what we need to replace and update. We offer a price match guarantee, so you don't have to go shopping. Let us do the shopping for you, and you'll know that you're going to always get the best price. Plus, we offer tech support. When you call us, you're going to get one of our technicians. You're not going to get an automated phone call. Thanks again for watching. Schedule a consultation with us today. Give us a call or visit our website at audiovideocharlotte.com. You can also follow us on social media. And as always, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day.